Hello guys, in today's video I will show you how to save your battery the best way on your laptop Windows 11. So the first thing, go to settings and here go to system and here go to power and battery, and here the power mode set to best power efficiency, and I recommend to go to energy recommendations and just apply all. Also set the refresh rate to 60 Hz, and also you can check screen and sleep and set it battery power, turn off my screen after the minutes you set off, and also click on battery saver as you want to have. Also you can check the battery usage, and that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and this will boost your battery on your laptop. So I hope you enjoyed it and I will see you in the next video. Peace.